this out.
What up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a minute. We're not even gonna discuss it. But just got a little tool haul here from Ross. And I thought we'd unbox it together. Don't have these tools. So thought I'd add them to the collection. But we're talking about these today. We got this Olympia tools, self-adjusting. Let me do that over. Olympia tools, self-adjustable, and self-ratcheting wrench. Self-adjustable and self-ratcheting wrench? They had to say it twice? You see it twice. Part number 82344-134. Says it fits 12 and 6-point fasteners. Self-adjustable, 7-position pivot head, and a 1/2-inch spline wrench built in the handle. There's your spline. And there's your self-adjust. Or no, that's your ratcheting. And here's your self-adjust. Flex head with a lock. There's the button. Flex head. So I can lock it. And we'll go 90 degrees this way. Lock. And 90 degrees the other way. And lock. Let me turn some light on, some more light. Let's see what we got. There we go. So a little more light. So that's the Olympia tools, self-adjustable and self-ratcheting wrench. Twice. Self-adjustable and self-ratcheting wrench. Self-adjustable and self-ratcheting wrench. Boy, you can't say that 3 times. Okay, moving on. Second tool I got from Ross. Okay, from the Rossi. I knew that would happen, that's why I did the video like that. Let me put my safety first. Gotta put my gloves back on, y'all. Hopefully I can edit that out, man. But sorry for the interruption. Second tool that I got at the El Rossi. That other tool, the Olympia wrench. $9.99, regular 20. This Outer Banks Hatchet multi-tool, 14.5 ounces weight. I think it's like a 12-in-1, 8-in-1, something. But it's got the hammer, hatchet, pliers, wire cutters, knife, screwdriver, saw. Those are different bit sizes, and a flathead, and then another flathead, and a serrated edge knife, and a file. Got that for 10.99, 15, about. And it comes with a little nylon case. We might have to come back and do a review of me using the tool. But this was just an unboxing of these two tools I got from Rossi. I got from Rossi at the tool hall. Got a magnetic clip up there, but that we ain't talking about it. Hatchet comes with a little clip that has a string attached to it for the blade of the hatchet, like that feature. The pliers don't come open unless you squeeze them. And there's the pliers. They open up pretty big right there, and you can grab a fastener with that, right? A bolt head, anything with that. The hatchet cover does not seem to stay on that good, and then you got all your utensils in here. So yeah, okay. So I got those two for 20 bucks at the Ross. The Olympia tools, self-adjustable, self-ratcheting, blah, blah, blah. And then the Outer Banks Hatchet multi-tool. Definitely gonna come in handy. Hammer seems to be good, sturdy. But yeah, thanks for watching. This is more for documentation, log, so I can go back over the years and see how many tools I acquire. But if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, all that good jazz. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Do what you like. Unlicensed Assassin. Over and out.